Do you ever feel like your prayers are not being heard? In the gospel today, Jesus teaches us something very simple but very powerful. He says, "This is how you are to pray." And then he gives us the Our Father. The first word is Father. That means you are not praying to someone distant. You are speaking to a Father who knows you, who understands your struggles, who sees your tears, and who never gets tired of listening. Jesus teaches us to ask for daily bread. Not everything at once, just what we need for today. Strength for today, patience for today, grace for today. And He reminds us to forgive because forgiven hearts become peaceful hearts. This Lent, do not be afraid to begin again. Pray slowly. Pray simply. Say Our Father and mean it. Because you are loved, you are heard, and your Father is very near. Amen.